Vincent liked that. This is a big one. This is a big one. This costs $500. It's a big one. Here's a big one. Okay, get out the car. You're kidding me, right? No, better. Okay, good. Get out the car. We got robbed again.
Yep.
Get one. Get one big one. Kick it over. Go push. Stop.
No.
Move.
You kick it
Move.
one side. I hit it the other. Dad.
Kick it in the box. Kick it in the ball. Pick it up with your hands. If it's not hot. There you go. Okay, there you go. What are you guys doing? Don't break the freaking thing. Get out of there, Charlie.
I never took. That's the second one.
Oh yeah, why not?
No, it's only my fifth one. I didn't get try to touch next. Yeah. Why did I? 3, 2, 1. Come on. Don't tell me. Hold on. Why do you think I got it? I got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Where's Vincent? Where's Vincent? What? Oh no, we got more going. It's going.
It's going.
Where's Vincent? Vincent, get some. Get one. Give one to Charlie. I get it. Oh shoot.
Charlie.
It's going still.
Look, he's gonna go pee. I knew it. Hold on. Put up.
Go. Okay, the box is full now. Move the.
There's only 2 more for me and Charlie.
2 more. We get back. Get off there. Get back. Somebody like this shit. There you go. Oh, okay. Well, everybody else curses all over the place.
Hold on, Charlie. Hold on.
Yeah, there you go. I just say one and I get it. You curse all day.
Here, Charlie.
This one still works better.
Right? Too much pressing like this. Break like that. That one works.
Right here, you go.
Press the button.
Oh, no, that's the one I want.
Press the freaking button.
I guess I'll do FIFA. Can you not touch?
Okay, get back, Charlie. Get back.
Oh, shoot.
Where's Vincent again? Get over here, Vincent. Come here, Vincent. Vincent. that's a big one. Which one is that? That's an Odyssey Fountain from Las Vegas. You got it, Vincent?
Wait, the dog is